So here we are. After successfully ditching the Home Assistant Sky Connect and replacing it with the Sonoff Dongle Max without having to repair any Zigbee device, today we're gonna try the MultiPAN feature of this dongle, which is gonna be both Zigbee and Thread apparently working together without any issue. I've never done this before, so I'm kinda anxious about the outcome. I have a few Thread devices that I absolutely need to pair to Home Assistant, so we're gonna see if this bad boy does the job or not. So I haven't found any documentation about this on how to enable the MultiPAN mode, so I guess I'm just gonna go here on the operation mode of the Zigbee and Thread chip and click here, switch to Thread RCP mode. Network configuration will be reset. Honestly, this is kinda scary, so let's go for science. Okay, so right now it's downloading and flashing a firmware. Let's wait and see. Okay, so feedback after a couple of hours. The thing that I was trying to turn on didn't work because when turning it on, it means that the dongle switches over to Thread only. I found out actually that to turn on the MultiPAN functionality, you need to reflash, not from the dongle itself, but from the Sonoff Dongle flasher. You will be able to select the MultiPAN firmware, and from here you need to do one thing. You will need to install the Home Assistant add-on that the Sonoff team developed, or to be more accurate, that the Sonoff team forked from the Silicon Labs original Docker container. This fault is the key to make it work smoothly, apparently, and since I have a Docker container, there isn't the possibility for me to run it smoothly and fast on my Home Assistant installation. For fun, I tried to git clone directly the repository and make it build from Docker, but it didn't manage, and honestly, I don't want to put too much time into this since I'm looking for a plug-and-play solution. So it turns out that to make Zigbee and Thread work simultaneously, you need Home Assistant OS. So this first attempt is kinda a failed one, at least for the MultiPAN, Thread, and Zigbee. However, since I'm gonna be moving soon from my apartment, I will be able to install Home Assistant OS. Once again, I've discussed this in more details, but for example, Matter as an add-on needs full access to IPv6, and it's something that Docker doesn't really handle pretty well, especially if you run it on a NAS, which has control over Docker and you have limited control as a user. So not really to give up on MultiPAN. From what I'm seeing on the internet, Dongle Max works for people when they are running on Home Assistant OS, and it apparently works great. So definitely when I will be rebuilding my smart home, I will give more information and definitely try to use Dongle Max as my main dongle and have it work with MultiPAN possibility. In the meantime, see you soon.